All things unexplained.
So some of that, I think, sir, we'll save for closed session.
And in this update, the Albuquerque police are asking about the potential for drugs, and Garcia's wife tells them exactly who he worked for and the exact type of clearance that he held.
Or influence or anything like that
No.
to make you think? Okay.
Like illegal drugs, nothing like that, no.
No? Okay.
He works at Honeywell, so he's, you know what I mean? He's got a Q clearance. He's not.
I see. Okay, yeah. And nothing with marijuana, nothing like that
No.
either? Because I know it's legal here, but...
Yeah, but he can't with his work.
Yeah, with his work, yeah.
Still
Okay.
federally.
Yeah, that's true, yeah.
All right, let's talk a little bit about what you heard there. The brother-in-law says he had a federal job. The wife says Garcia worked at Honeywell. That is referring to the Honeywell Federal Manufacturing and Technologies, also called FM&T. Honeywell operates the Kansas City National Security Campus. That's what you've seen in previous reports, which maintains a primary New Mexico operations division in Albuquerque. Located at 2540 Alamo Avenue Southeast, Honeywell Federal Manufacturing and Technologies is near Kirtland Air Force Base. The 7,000 employee facility supports the NNSA by providing critical non-nuclear components for the U.S. nuclear deterrent. And of course, if you've been following the channel, you know about Kirtland Air Force Base. That is, of course, where General Neil McCasland served as the head of the AFRL. General Neil McCasland, of course, went missing in February of 2026. All right, now what about that Q clearance? Well, a Q clearance is the Department of Energy's highest level security clearance, generally comparable in access level to a top secret clearance, but specifically for access to restricted data and other classified nuclear weapons information. It is commonly held by personnel working for DOE, NNSA, national laboratories, and contractors supporting the U.S. nuclear enterprise.